Hey guys, it's been a while, but I've got an assistant now, so I'm back with this iPad Air review. This is the iPad Air 5th generation with the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. In this video I'll talk about the specs, performance, camera, Apple Pencil support, overall use case, pros, cons, and price. So let's get started. But first, let's do the unboxing.
Hours later.
So here we have it, the iPad, and it comes with the USB Type-C charging cable and the charging brick. The iPad Air M1 is a new tablet that was introduced during the Apple event held in October 2020. This new tablet is powered by the new Apple M1 chip and features all new design. The tablet is available in 5 different colors, including space gray, silver, rose gold, green, and sky blue. The iPad Air M1 features a 10.9-inch liquid retina display with True Tone and 3P wide color. The display is bright and vibrant and offers excellent viewing angles. It's also fully laminated, which means there's no air gap between the display and the glass. This reduces reflection and glare, which is handy when using it outside. The multi-touch retina display is as stunning as me, which hopefully one day you guys will get to see when I hit 1 million subscribers. And the touch is very similar to the new iPad Pro, which is a milestone in screen technology. The tablet has a resolution of 2360 by 1640 and a pixel density of 264 ppi. You'll fall in love with the Apple's 3 million pixel display with breathtaking detail and clarity. Under the hood, the iPad Air M1 is powered by the new Apple M1 chip. This chip is a 7nm processor that is based on the A14 Bionic chip used in the iPhone 12. The M1 chip has an 8-core CPU and a 7-core GPU. The tablet also features an 8-core neural engine. This model iPad Air M1 has 4 gigs of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage. The tablet also supports 5G connectivity. On the back of the iPad M1 is a 12 megapixel wide-angle camera. This camera supports apertures of 1.8, 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. This is a newer generation of the iPad with USB Type-C connection for faster charging. This comes in really handy because nowadays most phones and tablets, especially on the Android side, all have USB Type-C. So if you have an Android friend and you forgot your iPad charger, you can always borrow theirs. The camera is better than the previous generation and it has a new design, so it's less bulky. The M1 iPad has a 12 megapixel camera and up to 256 gigabytes of storage, enough to store over 2,000 high-resolution photos. Its 12 megapixel camera is designed with True Tone flash to take better photos under any lighting conditions. The versatile front and rear cameras make it easy to FaceTime, shoot videos, and take photos, but unfortunately this version does not support emojis. Like Apple, do better. This iPad Air M1 is built with a thin frame, allowing it to be easily carried on the go. It runs on iOS 12 with easy multitasking gestures, tap, drag, and swipe, with a single finger for effortless navigation. From sketching in Procreate to editing movies with iMovie, your favorite apps and their features run better on iPad than ever before. Some of the applications even run faster than the previous MacBooks. With a wide selection of iPad accessories, including Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, experience the power, the precision, the performance of a mobile computer. but upgraded. The iPad Air M1 also features support for Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard. The Apple Pencil is a great option for those who want to take advantage of the iPad Air M1's large display. The Magic Keyboard is for those who want to use the iPad like a computer. However, I didn't go with that option this time, especially because I don't see myself using an iPad as a computer, because it's not. It's really not. I know Apple is really trying to sell that idea, but iPad is good for certain tasks. Being a computer at the moment is not one of them. This edition of the iPad features a new Apple Pencil that makes writing, drawing, and painting on the display even more intuitive and responsive. The second gen Apple Pencil is best used with an iPad Air Pro, but you can use it with any of the compatible iPad, including the 10.5-inch model. It's perfect for college students for note taking, and for artists, especially the combination of Procreate and second generation Apple Pencil does a really good job if you want to draw anything on the go. This version that I have is the $5.99 with the second generation Apple Pencil and taxes, so everything came around $772 total. In conclusion, I believe the iPad M1 is a great device for people who want a powerful and lightweight tablet. It is fast, has a great camera, and is very portable. The only downside is the price, but I think it is worth it for the features and performance you get.